called Fun with Maps in the Literature Anthology book. Okay, so this week our story is about maps and what kind of maps are there. Okay, so I know you guys took what a map is in social. So a map is usually a drawing of a place. So that means that someone drew a picture of a place. Okay, so what do we use a map for? We use a map to locate or find a place. Okay, so our story today is about different types of maps. Let's start reading Fun with Maps on page 86. Fun with Maps. A map is a drawing of a place. Okay, so a map is usually a drawing someone drew this place. Okay, place is usually somewhere you are at, right? A map shows us where we are. Okay, so a map is a drawing of a place. A map shows you where you are. It shows us how to get around. It shows us how to get around too. That means we use a map to show us how to go from one place to another. So the word here around means not to go around yourself, means it shows you how to get around, means how to go from one place to another. So again, what is a map? It's a drawing of a place. A map shows you where you are, what place you are in, and how to go from one place to another. Here it says on page 87, Phil's room. A map can be of a small place. This is a map of Phil's room. How many windows do you see? What is next to Phil's bed? What is by the door? Okay, so as you see here, this is a drawing of a room. Okay, whose room is this? It says here in the title, Phil's room. So also, you'll see that a map has a title. We all know what a title is. It's the name of something. Here, it's the name of a map. Okay, so this is a map of someone's room. What is the name of that person? His name is Phil. His name is Phil. And this is what his room looks like. Okay, so a map can be a drawing of a small place, such as a bedroom. It says here, how many windows do you see? Here we took the video about in high frequency word, many means more than one. So here the question says, how many windows do you see? It's asking about the numbers of windows. Let's look around the room and try to locate or find the windows. Here we have a bed, bedstand, cabinet, desk, toys. Here we have 1, 2. Okay, so how many windows do you see? 2 windows. All right, what is next to Phil's bed? Here we see his bed. Next to his bed, there's a nightstand. Okay, so we can say a nightstand or a clock and a lamp. These are the things that are next to Phil's bed. What is by the door? Okay, we said by means close to or near. Okay, so here is the door. You see there's an arrow that shows you can go in and out. And if you go near it, the nearest thing is the toy box. So many here means asking about the number of windows, and what is next to his bed beside it is the nightstand with a clock and a lamp, and by means near or next to. Okay, let's go to the next page. On page 88, a map can be of a big place. This is a map of a town. What places do you see on the map? Okay, it says, so the first one was a map of a small place, a bedroom. It says a map can be of a big place, such as a map of a town. A town is like, you guys know that a town is like a small, a place that is next to a city. Okay, so a town, a map can be of a big place such as a town. Okay, because it's a community. Okay, a town has many places, and you guys learned that a community is a place that where many people live and work. And you also took in social that there are many community places. Okay, so this is a map of a town. What places do you see on the map? Let's start looking. It says the title here, it says Town of Shadwell. So that's the name of the town and would be considered the title of the map. What else? We have Town Hall. Town hall is usually a place for the government. Here we have a dress and a shoe. That means this is a shoe store and a clothing store. We have a playground and a park. Okay, we have another place here. He says here library. Library is a place where people can go and read books and borrow books. Post office, when you want to send something, a letter or a package to someone. Okay. Shadwell Fire Department. This is the fire station. You guys know all these places, right? Here it says Shadwell School. So there's a school. We have a burger. So this is a restaurant. There's a hammer here. So this is a hardware store. There's a picture of a dollar bill. So this is a bank maybe. Here we have a market. And I really don't, maybe these are houses or homes. Okay. So this is a map. There can be a map of a big place such as a town. Also there's a map, the title of a map, and there are many places as you see. What places do you see on the map? And we just mentioned some. You can mention anything that you just heard from me. Bank, supermarket, school, restaurant, hardware store, post office, fire station, a clothing store, shoe store, playground, library. These are all different places that you can find on the map. Which street is the market on? Okay, I just read the mark. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so this is the market. It says which street. We also find the names of the street. We have Moss Street. So Moss Street is the street on the market is on Moss Street. Okay. The answer would be the supermarket or the market is on Moss Street. What other streets do we see? We have Elm Street, West Street, March Street, Ash Street, Dent Street. Okay, what is by the firehouse? We just said that the word by means close to or next to. Okay, what is by the firehouse? Okay, we can say the school. We can say the school is by the firehouse or the post office, right? Okay, how would you walk from the school to the library? If I'm in the school and I want to go to the library, how would you walk? I would walk on West Street and then turn right, okay, on Dent Street, and then I would find the library. I know in social you guys take north, south, east, and west, right? Because you have a compass rose. Okay, but here in the story you would say I will walk from West Street straight and then turn right on Dent Street and I will find it in front of me. Okay, so we learned that there can be a map is a drawing of a place. A map, there can be a map of a small place, a map of a big place such as a town. Maps have titles, right? So know what is this map for? All right, next, Bell Park. Okay, so a map can be of a fun place. This is a map of a park. The symbols on maps stand for real things. On this map, this drawing or symbol stands for a place to eat lunch. All right. So a map can also be of a fun place, a place where people can go and have fun. Okay, so you know that a park is like a playground. Okay, what can you do in a playground? People, okay, there are many features here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. But to understand what these places are, we should go to the map key. What is a map key? A map key is like a small table that shows you what each symbol or picture means. Okay, so a map key is like a table next to a map to show you what each symbol or drawing means. So this drawing on the map would mean it's a pond, a small body of water. And this picture or symbol on the map would mean a picnic table where people can go and have a picnic or eat something. This symbol on the map would mean a playground or a place where people can like swing. Okay, here this is a baseball field, an area or a big piece of land where people can play a sport called baseball. Here is a symbol of a band shell, a place where bands can come and perform and people go and watch them. All right, and this symbol stands for a snack bar, a place that usually sells food where people can go get a snack. Okay, so as we said, that a map can be of a fun place, a place where people go and have fun. Okay, so this is a map of a park. A park is like where people can go have picnics, play, watch a baseball match, sit in a tranquil, quiet area, go and listen to a band play. Okay, and what is the title? It's called Bell Park. And we said that a map key shows you what each symbol or picture stands for, what each picture means. On page 91, a key tells what the symbols mean. Match the symbol in the key with the one on the map. What symbol stands for the pond? What symbol stands for the pond? So we said pond. This symbol stands for the pond. Okay, like a body of water or like a drawing of water in the middle. This is a symbol for pond. What does this drawing stand for? We go to the map key, look for the picture and we read. So this drawing means playground. Okay, I know that you guys all know how to use a map key. You guys are very smart. All right, page 92. Okay, oh, this is a different map. This is like a treasure hunt map. A map can be of an imaginary place. Okay, imaginary place means can be a map of a place that is not real. Some people draw these imaginary maps so they can play games like a treasure hunt or scavenger hunt. Okay, a map can be of an imaginary place. This is a treasure map. What routes or routes could you take to get to the chest of gold? Okay, so this is this a real a map of a real place? No, this is not a real place. Okay, this is called a treasure map. Why would they draw this? To play a game to try to find where the gold is. Okay, and this map could help you a lot. Okay, it shows you if you follow this route, this is the route, this is the way or the path that you take to find the gold or the chest of gold. Okay, and that's it. So we learned that today we learned from our story that we can have so much fun with maps. And a map is a drawing of a place. When someone draws a place, it can be a small map of a room. It can be a map of a big place such as a town or a city, a community, which has many places. It can also be a town of a fun place such as a park where people can do many different types of activities. It can also be a map of an imaginary place. Imaginary place means a place is not real, but people use it for fun or as a game, and also has a map key. Okay, it tells you that the symbol of a ship is a pirate ship. This drawing is a cave where they will find the gold, the chest of gold. This is a waterfall. Okay, a body of water where the water falls from a high area. Volcano and another cove. And here the X shows you that this is the place of the chest of gold. All right. So the question number 1 says, what is the main topic of this selection? What is this whole story about? Let's think together. We've been talking about different types of maps, what maps have, such as map titles and map key. So the main title would be, the main topic is maps. This whole story is about maps. Okay? What did the town map tell you? The town map tells you that there are many places. It shows you the places that the town has and the names of the street and how we can go from one place to another. Okay? What else? How do you know that fun with maps is nonfiction? Well, it's nonfiction because it gives you facts. What's the meaning of facts? Means it tells you things that are real. It gives you real details. So it gives you information about real things. Okay? Because maps are real things. People use maps to know where they are, to go from one place to another, to get around. Remember the word, to get around means to go from one place to another. What else? And sometimes, although there are no real photos, here are all drawings. Why? Because maps are drawing of places. Okay, these are all reasons that maps are nonfiction. How could the map of the park help you? Okay, if we go to the map of the park, how can this map help you? It can help you find places. Like if I want to have a picnic with my friends, I can go to the snack bar and find it. And then if I want to go to the picnic tables, I know what way to walk to go from the snack bar to the picnic table, because the park is usually a big place. If I'm in the snack bar and I want to go to the playground, I know which route or which way to walk to find a playground. Okay? Remember, we said the word route means the way or the road to go from one place to another. Okay? We said to locate a place. A map is used to locate a place. What's the meaning of locate? The word locate means to find. So if I'm in one place and I want to find the place that I want to find the way to go to another place, I'm trying to locate where I am and find the other place, or locate where I want to go. Okay? What else? And that's it. Here, this is the chart that we want to talk about. So as we said, the main topic is maps. This story is about maps and different types of maps. Okay, what details did we put here? We said that maps show us where we are and how to get around. Okay, so the map shows you where you are and how to go from one place to another. What else? There are maps for all kinds of places. Yes, we saw different types of maps for a small place, maps for a big place, like such as a bedroom, map for a town, map for a fun place, map for an imaginary map. Okay, maps have symbols and a key that tells what each symbol stands for. We also learned that most maps have map keys, and the map key has symbols or pictures that show you what these drawings mean. Okay, what else? If you want to add another detail, you can. Like, for example, maps have titles. Tells you what is this map for? Is it a map of a town? Is it a map of a room? Okay? These are all details that tell us more about the topic. Are there more details? Yes. Such as a map is a drawing of a place, or a map, as we said, that a map, I just said one detail now. That map is a drawing of a place. It shows you where you are and how to go from one place to another. What other thing did I say? That a map has a title, right? To tell you what kind of map this is. Map has a map key to show you what each symbol or drawing stands for. Okay? And this is what we will be completing for the page 94. All right. See you guys in the next video.